If you are wondering what is the recommended power adapter for Nothing Phone 4a Pro, then let me quickly elaborate. So, in the case of Nothing Phone 4a Pro, the phone can charge the battery using up to 50 watts at most, which means that the perfect power adapter is going to be the genuine Nothing charger that has exactly 50 watts or more than that. And of course, if you have a power adapter that has that is stronger, that has more than 50 watts, then it's completely fine. You can still use it. You should be able to use it to charge the phone. There should be no issue with that whatsoever. However, if you have above 50 watts, then if you compare it to exactly 50 watts, the charging speed is going to be pretty much identical. So there is really no need to get a stronger power adapter than 50 watts, unless, of course, there is no exactly 50 watts available. But of course, besides that, if you don't really want to purchase a power adapter made by Nothing, if you are looking for another brand, then you can still go for other manufacturers as well. However, I would recommend to use well-known brands. I would avoid using like knockoffs and brands that are not really known. So you probably want to go for brands like Samsung, Motorola, maybe Google, OnePlus, Oppo, Realme, and Xiaomi, and so on and so forth. So those brands that are quite popular at this point. And one thing that also has to be mentioned, another thing actually that has to be mentioned, is of course the fact that originally we have USB-C to USB-C cable. So if you don't want to replace the original cable, then you want to get a power adapter that is USB-C, that has the USB-C port. If you get a power adapter that has USB-A port, so that bigger USB port, then of course you will have to change the cable as well, which is not really a big deal. You can also use a cable that is not made by Nothing or provided by Nothing. Other cables may work as well, but you have to consider things like the speed of the cable, and also whether it allows you to transfer files, and so on and so forth. In some cases, of course, cables are not allowed to do that. Well, they are not capable of doing so. So you have to keep that in mind. And yeah, so to summarize, ideally the perfect choice is going to be Nothing's power adapter that has 50 watts or more, if you cannot find exactly 50 watts. If you happen to get a power adapter that has less than 50 watts, it's also fine. It's just that the charging speed is going to be, of course, slower compared to 50 watts or more. And in case you don't want to purchase Nothing's power adapter for some reason, you can also get other brands, and they are going to work as well, but you still have to consider purchasing a power adapter that has 50 watts. And you also have to consider, of course, the port that is included, because the original cable is USB-C to USB-C. So if you don't want to change the cable, if you don't need that additional hassle, then of course you want to make sure that you purchase a power adapter with USB-C port. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.